So today I'm going to talk about Trello, which is a collaborative program that I think would be really useful for a lot of XA students to know. So when you first open it, it's going to look something like this, and you can see that the general idea is that you can assign tasks to different columns, so things that you have to do, things you're currently doing, and things that have already been done. So you can kind of monitor your progress throughout a specific collaborative process. So if I wanted to add something to the to-do list, I could come over, that's right here, add a card, and let's say that my team needs to do some research. I can go ahead and type that in here, and then there's some options. The labeling system is really great because you can just have a color if you want, but if you want to actually give that color meaning, you can create a new label, type what the color means, and then select the color. So I'll use one that I've already made. We'll do crucial. So it's really important that we do research, and it'll show up right here. So then you can also invite specific members of the team to be assigned to this task, which is really helpful in making sure everyone knows exactly what they need to do. And then you can also sort the position of the task. You can do it based on the order it needs to be done or the importance, but just kind of organizing the list in that way. So once you do that, I can add it there, and it pops up right here. So there's also some options on this side menu over here. You can change the background color of the board, so I have it this blue. You can filter the cards by the label so that you can organize your board by a specific label that you have. And then there's also some stickers. These are kind of fun. Some of them you can kind of tell what they mean, but you could talk with your team about what each of these means if you see them on a task. So if I wanted to place one on, I could just drag it over and stick it on there. So this wireframes one is something that I made a while ago, so I can click on it. I've already said that I've done it, but if I didn't, it would look like this. And you can see that my labels are here. And then I can add a comment here about what exactly needs to be done to just make sure that everyone is on the same page. And then I can also add a specific due date, which would be super helpful if you're on a tight schedule. You can have some strong deadlines for your team to see. So I could save that. You can also upload a file with the task so that it'll appear on the board here. You can move the task to a different board, or you can copy the task to the same board or a different board. So once you've completed the task, you come over here and click this, and then it'll show up on the board right here as something that's already been done. So how do you get others to see the board? Well, that's back on this main menu. Right here, you just simply invite users by their email address, and they'll be able to get on and collaborate with you. So this is a free program. There's Trello Gold, which is $3.75 a month, and you can upload bigger files. You can have a custom photo as a background, or there's more stickers. But really, I think that the free version pretty much covers what most people would need it to, which is really great. So a huge part of XA is collaboration. So I think that this tool would be super useful in just having everything laid out here and being able to monitor the progress of your project. Also, if you're specifically interested in being a project manager, this is a great tool to know because it's a great way of kind of staying on top of your team, seeing who's doing what, and if they're on task and on time. So I would definitely recommend it to those people. And then it just really increases communication. You can see exactly what people are doing, and that should hopefully increase your productivity. So I really think that anyone working on a collaborative process could benefit from using this program, but especially XA majors, I think, could get a lot out of it.